Learning English can feel frustrating sometimes. You may understand English, but still feel stuck using the same simple sentences every day. Or maybe you know exactly what you want to say, but the words don't come out the way you want. If this sounds like you, don't worry. That's completely normal. And today, we're going to work on it together. Welcome to English Success Path. In this lesson, we'll practice 20 everyday English sentences that will help you express yourself more clearly and naturally. I will explain when to use each sentence, give you a real-life example, and then we'll practice together. Take your time, pause the video if you need to, and speak along with me. Let's begin.
It's not what I expected. This is a polite way to express disappointment or surprise when something is different from your expectations, useful for reviews, feedback, or daily life. For example, how was the restaurant?
Honestly, it's not what I expected. Please repeat after me. How was the restaurant? Honestly, it's not what I expected.
2. I'm still getting used to it. Used when something is new, and you are adjusting to it. Common for new jobs, environments, or routines. For example, how's your new job?
It's good, but I'm still getting used to it. Please repeat after me. How's your new job? It's good, but I'm still getting used to it.
3. I'm not sure I follow you. This sentence is used as a polite way to say you don't understand what someone is explaining. Shows you're listening but need clarification. Example in a sentence, does that make sense?
I'm not sure I follow you. Could you explain it again? Please repeat after me. Does that make sense? I'm not sure I follow you. Could you explain it again?
3. I'm running out of time. This is commonly used when time is almost finished. For example, why are you in a hurry?
I'm running out of time. Please repeat after me. Why are you in a hurry? I'm running out of time.
3. That makes sense. Used to show understanding or agreement with what someone has explained. Example. Why do we need to leave early?
To avoid traffic. That makes sense. Please repeat after me. Why do we need to leave early? To avoid traffic. That makes sense.
3. I can't afford it. This is a direct way to say something is too expensive for your budget. For example, are you buying the new phone?
No, I can't afford it right now. Please repeat after me. Are you buying the new phone? No, I can't afford it right now.
7. I'd rather not. A polite way to refuse an offer or invitation. Example. Do you want to go out tonight?
I'd rather not. Please repeat after me. Do you want to go out tonight? I'd rather not.
8. I'm tied up at the moment. This sentence is used as a professional way to say you're busy and can't do something right now. For example, can you help me with this?
I'm tied up at the moment, but I can help you later. Please repeat after me. Can you help me with this? I'm tied up at the moment, but I can help you later.
9. I'm having second thoughts. This is usually used when you're reconsidering a decision you already made. Example. Are you still moving to London?
I'm having second thoughts. Please repeat after me. Are you still moving to London? I'm having second thoughts.
10. That sounds like a good idea. Used to show approval or agreement with a suggestion. Example. Let's study together this weekend.
That sounds like a good idea. Please repeat after me. Let's study together this weekend. That sounds like a good idea.
11. I'm looking forward to it. This sentence is commonly used to express excitement about something in the future. For example, we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to it. Please repeat after me. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it.
12. It's worth a try. Used to encourage someone to attempt something, even if success isn't guaranteed. Example: what if it doesn't work?
It's worth a try. Please repeat after me. What if it doesn't work? It's worth a try.
13. I'll get back to you. Used when you promise to respond later after checking information. Example: can you confirm the details?
I'll get back to you. Please repeat after me. Can you confirm the details? I'll get back to you.
14. It's up to you. This is a way to let someone else make the decision. It shows you're flexible. For example, should we eat Italian or Chinese?
It's up to you. I'm happy with either. Please repeat after me. Should we eat Italian or Chinese? It's up to you.
15. It slipped my mind. This sentence is used in a polite way to say you forgot something. More casual than I forgot. Example: did you call the doctor?
Oh no, it completely slipped my mind. Please repeat after me. Did you call the doctor? Oh no, it completely slipped my mind.
16. That's the last straw. Used when a final annoyance makes you decide you've had enough of a situation. Example: why did you quit your job?
My boss blamed me for his mistake. That was the last straw. Please repeat after me. Why did you quit? That was the last straw.
17. That's news to me. Used when you hear information for the first time and you are surprised. For example, did you know the meeting was cancelled?
That's news to me. Please repeat after me. The meeting was cancelled. That's news to me.
18. I'm all ears. This is an informal way to show you're ready and willing to listen to someone. Example: I need to tell you something.
Sure, I'm all ears. Please repeat after me. I need to tell you something. Sure, I'm all ears.
19. I have mixed feelings about it. Used when you feel both positive and negative about something. For example, do you like your new role?
I have mixed feelings about it. Please repeat after me. Do you like your new role? I have mixed feelings about it.
20. I'm not convinced. Used when you are not persuaded by an argument. For example, this plan will work.
I'm not convinced. Please repeat after me. This plan will work. I'm not convinced. Great job for practicing today. Remember, confidence comes from repetition, not perfection. Keep practicing.